What's...
Whoa, it's okay.
Get away from me! I look... stupid.
I remember that feeling. It goes away eventually. Hot chocolate's pretty good. Cosmo and I made it kind of a tradition to come up here and get it every week.
Can't even tell it's not real.
Shut up! You caught me off guard.
Gotta start somewhere.
I'm just mad it was you instead of me.
Well, yeah, you're not funny. Hey, Rivet, you want to be on my team again? Sorry. I'm gonna be showing Jax around this time. No worries, y'all have fun.
Sup, moron?
Oh my god, same. I used to swear so much, but the censoring annoyed the shit out of me.
You gotta watch out for her. She's gonna corrupt you. She's such a...
Today's adventure was really fun.
I'm glad I could cheer you up.